Hello everyone, Namaste from India. I hope you all are doing good in this difficult time and are safe. I am Umang Baheti. I am currently a student of Faculty of Fine Arts, MS University of Baroda, India. I am a type enthusiast and want to explore more on type. Today I am presenting an indigenous visual treat to all of you. I want you to just relax and enjoy yourself. I'll be underlying quick characteristics which I found interesting in particular type specimens. The main focus of the presentation will be upon Devanagari type, the Indic style, how the culture is affecting the type, and how the nature is affecting the type. We'll also talk about the vibrant colors, styles, and many more things. These two are the most beautiful and confidently handwritten type and hand painted type I've come across in recent times. The first one reads as Baneshwari in Devanagari script. Baneshwari is a local goddess in Madhya Pradesh. It is believed to bestow good luck and prosperity. The amazing effect of rain and the atmosphere has created interesting texture on the handwritten type. The washed out feeling has an interesting flavor to it. The second image shows the very original and raw specimen of beautifully hand painted type. This is one of the good examples of fearlessness of painter, and the urge to deliver the message can also be seen. Look at this one. Like this is such a beautifully hand painted type. I fell in love with its texture in the first sight only. I can see this particular for hours without getting bored at it. Look at the beautiful texture in the type. The brush strokes are seen and the feeling it creates is amazing. This one reads as Sardar in Devanagari script. Uh, this was painted with a brush and oil paint. The earlier type specimen, which was taken from this advertisement on the wall, this one particularly had something interesting. See the second picture, this one. The painter was in hurry to complete, or he probably didn't thought it as an important detail to complete, and he finished it roughly. And the roughness of the painter and the hurry of the painter is shown by the type, which is interesting to take a note of. Now moving on to this one, I want to underline the impact of moisture, light, and heat on the hand painted type, like how the paint is interacting with nature, which has created air bubbles in the type, which is leading to an interesting texture. Look at the W in particular. This is so beautiful and interesting to address that hand painted type also interact with nature in such a beautiful manner. Look at the colors also. R, G, and B. Red, green, and blue are used, which is a great combination to use. We don't generally see italics in hand painted Devanagari script, but this one is a very graceful example of Devanagari italics. Have a look at the tilted stems in the letters. See this one, this, this, this. They are at certain angle. The interaction of nature and on surface is also very interesting and standing out. The peels have come off from the surface, and it is creating an interesting canvas. The use of black on a number plate is so typical because of the high contrast and the visibility it creates. The first photograph shows a hand painted type written over a washed out vinyl sheet. The First the vinyl sheet was pasted and it was washed out. Then again it was painted from hand. So the interaction of vinyl, the layers of vinyl and hand painted type are quite interesting to see. The second photo shows a condensed type, including digits in it. We don't generally see digits also in condensed form. So this is also an interesting example to look at. Now moving further in the presentation, I would like to show you some truck art. The trucks are the major source of transportation in India, and they are so decorative and they are such a treat to see and enjoy. Trucks are one thing that has a decorative type specimens. I personally relate the idea of visuals on the truck as a representation of Indian culture. The trucks are so much decorated with variety of types, patterns, and different designs, just as the Indian culture possesses variety in language, culture, rituals, and whatnot. Moving on to the characteristics of type, the Prince of it reads as Prince of Dattigao, which is so written in a fluffy and very display font kind of manner, which is again a very good to look at. This one shows condensed goodwill, which is also interesting to see. I also find truck and hand painted type on it relating to the Indian tribal and folk art representation. If you see minutely, you'll find some tiny use of tribal and folk art elements. For example, the color of the background in the truck is found in Wally paintings, which is brown and orange. There are a lot of floral motifs. You can easily notice Mughal style windows and arches. The technique and principle are similar in many ways, uh, as you can see the repetition of pattern in tribal arts and in the trucks too. Again, moving on to type specifications, this Bharat is written in uh, very roundish manner, which is kind of interesting and soft. Uh, I particularly like this one. The two letters O and D are at certain distance. They are not kerned well. So to minimize that effect of kerning, the painter has created long sheriffs converging towards each other, which is making visually which is just reducing the size between both of the letters visually. The first image is a perfect example of representation of Rajasthani culture through the graphic uh, and the and through the hand painted type. The use of color is so vibrant and bright as the colors of Rajasthan. The motifs and the image also resonate with the type and to create overall feeling of Rajasthan. Now moving on to the specialty of type, see the amazingly beautiful gradient and texture in the hand painted type. The sharpness of the edges is also a specification which resonates with the feeling of Rajasthan. In the second image, you will see washed out hand painted type with a brush and enamel paint. The texture is so beautiful, and the drop shadow creating from green is also very beautiful. It reads as Raj. The third image shows different type sizes and the composition of informal, formal, and italics to deliver a message in harmony. In this particular one, look at the beautiful script type. We do not generally find script in hand painted type. We do see sans serif most of the time, sometimes serif, but script font are very less seen. So it is one of the example in hand painted type. The beautifully hand painted type on the trolley caught my attention. Look at the bold and the clear type. Look at the letter K. This one. The construction is simple yet beautiful. The drop shadow in second picture, use of different color in third. As old saying says, old is gold. This particular picture is glittering like gold even after corroding. The corrosion has given this type a unique and beautiful character. Now moving on to the close-ups of the characters, I told you to see Kerr. Look at this geometric construction of Kerr. It is so beautiful. While moving on to Sher, it is a bit condensed. That it may be because of the painter realized that the space is taken more for Kerr and the Sher has less of space. So he condensed the letter and put it in a certain way. Look at this also. This is very beautiful construction of letters. This reads as yantra. Um, this is also a very interesting and a beautiful type specimen. Um, this particular one has two layers in it. If you can see, the first layer says is in this yellow one. It says Harod, and the second layer is besides this, which is some orangish color. Uh, this may be probably due to some natural effect, due to rain, due to washed out things, washed out paint, and see how interesting the layers are combining with each other. Even after it is washed out, the messages coming out and it is readable. Um, but this kind of interaction are very interesting to see. Now moving on to the application, I'd like to just some underline some of the applications. We saw some casual fonts, we saw some formal fonts, and we saw some italics also. So here is the combination, all three of them. The main name of the firm, it reads as Atisha, is written in casual form. The traders part is written in formal, and the less important detail, such as address, is written in italics. So it's a well composed use of hand painted type. The another use of hand painted type can be seen in large, beautiful hand painted advertisements. These are so good to look at. Uh, Even by passing by this, you have to get put your attention on them. Like the colors used are so contrasting, so attention grabbing. The type is also very good, and we can see the practical application of hand painted type in advertising, not just in display type. Um, Moving towards this photo has all the different varieties, styles of hand painted type, most of them. The first one is in negative space. The second one, it reads as Ganesh. It is outlined plus it has shadow. The third one has an outline in Devanagari script. The fourth one has a shadow below the type. Uh, this one reads as photo, and it is having a shadow from a particular light source, which is also interesting. Um, we can also see a Latin type here. Uh, the most interesting thing about this photo is you can compare how hand painted type and digital type are so different. Um, if I see the digital type, this one, it's so boring in comparison to this one, even after it has washed out for several years. That is the beauty of hand painted type. The letter L is my favorite, this one, in Devanagari script because of its the form it has. Means it, uh, look at it. The very well balanced curves and the straight lines create a letter. This particular has a strong contrast and choice of color. All and the choice of color is also very good. Some of the most distinct and recognizable visuals are bright in color, bold, and are designed to stand out. They are having drop shadows, gradients, use of different colors in one particular type specimen, and are decorative in nature, which you can see in the particular examples. At last, on my concluding note, I just want to underline the use of color. The use of color in hand painted type is so fresh to look even after a major course of time. The colors used in hand painted type perfectly represent the Indian natural surrounding, culture, and atmosphere. if you want to take one major thing other than the type specimens, you can take the use of color in depicting the surrounding. The use of earthy color to represent the nature by the hand painted type is so good. The use of bright colors, decorative and flamboyant colors is perfect representation of Indian culture with the use of with color. This particular, I'd like to end this particular with my favorite letter L. This is L, and this is R. This reads as Loha. Um, Thank you so much. Thank you, Type Weekend, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much.